Good morning, children. Today I will teach you the hard words of the chapter Travel Plan. Some of the hard words here is given, here is written. You recall the particular hard words. There is a jungle. Jungle. Recall with us. Jungle. It's jungle. Jungle. It's jungle. Jungle. Jungle in Hindi also jungle. Travel. 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 Travel means yatra. Ocean. 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 Pronounce it. Ocean. Ocean. Ocean means Mahasagar. Now, wish. W-I-S-H. Wish. W-I-S-H. Wish. W-I-S-H. Wish. Wish means iksha. W-I-S-H. Wish. Now, pouch. P-O-U-C-H. Pouch. P-O-U-C-H. Pouch. P-O-U-C-H. Pouch. Pouch means thela. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo. It's a mammal. Needle. N-E-E-D-L-E. Needle. N-E-E-D-L-E. Needle. N-E-E-D-L-E. Needle. Needle means sui. N-E-E-D-L-E. Needle. Needle means sui. T-H-R-E-A-D. Thread. T-H-R-E-A-D. Thread. T-H-R-E-A-D. Pronounce it. Thread. T-H-R-E-A-D. Thread. Thread. It's thread. Thread means dhaga. Needle means sui. Kangaroo. K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O. Kangaroo. P-O-U-C-H. Pouch. Pouch means thala. W-I-S-H. Wish. Wish means iksha. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. Ocean means Mahasagar. T-R-A-V-E-L. Travel. Travel means yatra. J-U-N-G-L-E. Jungle. Now, spin. The word is spin. S-P-I-N. Spin. Spin means rotate, घूमना. S-P-I-N. Spin. S-P-I-N. Spin. Spin means rotate. Skate. S-K-A-T-E. Skate. S-K-A-T-E. Skate. S-K-A-T-E. It's skate. Skate. Skating करते हैं ना. Skate. Tired. T-I-R-E-D. Tired. T-I-R-E-D. Tired. Tired means थका हुआ. T-I-R-E-D. Tired. Tired. C. S-E-A-C. 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 C. Sagar. S-E-A-C. समंदर. S-E-A-C. समंदर. Shipwreck. S-H-I-P-W-R-E-C-K. Shipwreck. Shipwreck जहाँ पे जहाज़ों का टूटा फूटा सा पार्ट्स रहता है. Shipwreck. That is shipwreck. S-H-I-P-W-R-E-C-K. Shipwreck. S-H-I-P-W-R-E-C-K. Shipwreck. Sneeze. S-N-E-E-Z-E. Sneeze. S-N-E-E-Z-E. Sneeze. Grasshopper. G-R-A-S-S-H-O-P-P-E-R. Grasshopper. grasshopper, grasshopper. It is green in color. Grasshopper is green in color. Looks like green in color. It is an insect. Grasshopper. 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 Now repeat the word. jungle. 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 travel. Travel. ocean. Ocean. wish. Wish. pouch. pouch. kangaroo. 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 needle. needle. thread. thread. spin. spin. skate. skate. tired. tired. shipwreck. shipwreck. sneeze. Sneeze means chikna. sneeze. Sneeze means chikna. Always keeps hanky on your nose during sneezing. You know, in COVID-19 corona, yes, sneeze. sneeze. grasshopper. 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 pat. pat. Pat means thapthapana. pat. On giraffe's head. Pat on giraffe's head in the poem. The child pats on giraffe's head. pat. Pat. Sure. 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 North Pole. Uttari dhruv. north. pole. North Pole. north. pole. North Pole. giraffe. 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 It's giraffe. Now once more. Jungle. 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 travel. travel. ocean. ocean. wish. pouch. kangaroo. kangaroo. Needle, needle. Thread, thread means dhaga. Spin, 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 spin means rotate. Skate, skate. Tired, tired. Seac, shipwreck, shipwreck. Sneeze, sneeze. Grasshopper, grasshopper. Pat, sure, sure. Northpole, North Pole. Giraffe, giraffe. In the poem, children, there is given child desires. In the poem, the second paragraph about child desire, and in first paragraph, what the poet says. In the first paragraph, poet says about where you could go, where you would go, you can go, you could go anywhere. Deep in the jungle, deep in the snow, deep in the ocean, where you want to go, where you could want to go. Where? Deep in the jungle, deep in the snow, deep in the ocean. Deep in the jungle, deep in the snow, deep in the ocean. Deep in the jungle, deep in the snow, deep in the ocean. And for what? In the ocean, to talk to the fish. Deep in the snow, deep in the jungle. Travel here, the poet travel here. The poet says to the children that you could go deep in the jungle, deep in the snow, deep in the ocean, where the fish can talk. Now the desire of children. Child. Pouch. The child wants to travel in the pouch of kangaroo. Wants to travel in the pouch of kangaroo. And he wants to stay as long as he please. In the pouch of kangaroo, he wants to stay as long as he wish. Now the second one, the whole of needle-like thread. He wants to pass through the whole of needle-like thread. He wants to pass through the whole of needle-like thread. Through the whole of needle-like thread. Third one, he wants to spin on the top of his head. He wants to spin on the top of his head. He wants to skate on ice cube. He wants to skate. He wants to sleep on ice cube. Skate means sleep. Sleep on ice cube. He wants to swim in a glass. He wants to swim in a glass. He wants to swim in a glass. He wants to ride on grasshopper, passing through it. He wants to ride on grasshopper. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 messages child can share. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First one, pouch of kangaroo. Whole of needle-like thread. Whole of needle-like thread. Pouch of kangaroo. Spin on top of head. Wants to spin on top of head. Wants to skate on ice cube. Wants to skate on ice cube. Wants to swim in a glass. Wants to ride on a grasshopper. Now again we will repeat all the things. Jungle, jungle, jungle. Travel, travel. Ocean, ocean. Wish, wish. Pouch, pouch means thela. Wish, wish, wish means iksha. Ocean, ocean. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Needle, its needle. T-H-R-E-A-D, thread, thread, T-H-R-E-A-D, thread. S-P-I-N, spin, spin means rotate. S-K-A-T is sket, S-K-A-T is sket. T-I-R-E-D, tired. S-E-A-C, S-E-A-C. S-H-I-P-W-R-E-C-K, shipwreck. Sneeze, S-N-E-E-Z is sneeze, S-N-E-E-Z is sneeze. Shipwreck, S-H-I-P-W-R-E-C-K, shipwreck. Grasshopper, G-R-A-S-S-H-O-P-P-E-R, grasshopper. G-R-A-S-S-H-O-P-P-E-R, grasshopper. Now P-A-T, pat. S-U-R-E, sure. N-O-R-T-H-P-O-L-E, North Pole. G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe, G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Child's desire, pouch of kangaroo. Hole of needle-like thread. Hole of wants to pass hole of needle-like thread. Wants to wants to stay in pouch of kangaroo as long as he pleased. He spin on top of his head. Spin on top of his head. Skate on ice cube. Skate on ice cube. Swim in glass. Wants to swim in glass. Wants to skate on ice cube. Wants to ride on grasshopper. He wants to ride on grasshopper. Wants to swim in a glass. Wants to skate on ice cube. Wants to spin on top of head. Wants to pass by hole of needle-like thread. Wants to stay in pouch of kangaroo. Poet says, deep in the jungle, deep in the snow, deep in the ocean, deep in the ocean. Wants to travel deep in the jungle, deep in the snow, deep in the ocean. And in ocean wants to talk to the fish. That this is the hard words and the desire. What's the poem wants to share the lines. I have differentiated that lines, what the poet wants to say and what the child want to say. I have differentiated the lines so that you can recall it better. In poet also 3 points are there and in child's are 6 points are there. You have to recall that. What are that points? Poets wants to say deep in jungle, deep in snow, deep in ocean, and child shares pouch of kangaroo, hole of needle-like thread, spin on top of head, skate on ice cube, swim in a glass, ride on a grasshopper. These are the lines that I have differentiated the poem so that you can learn it better. You can learn it easily. Okay, you can learn it in easy way. So that children, I have differentiated the lines. In child desire and poet, what the poet wants to say. And this is the hard words. You can recall all the hard words. You can also recall the rhymes or poem, rhyme it regularly, continuously, so that you can get heard the poem line, one line easily. Okay, so just